Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check the location of photos on any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and now you want to check the location of any photos that they were taken, so let's see how can you check that. You just have to open your camera and here just enable a setting. So open your camera settings from here and here just scroll down and you will get a setting of location tags. You must have to enable that setting as I have already enabled. After doing that, you have to make sure that your system location has been enabled. Now you just have to take a photo just like that. Now just tap on the photo and here you will get the info icon here. Just tap on it and you will get that your photo has been saved with the location tag just like that. You'll easily get the location of the photo that was taken, so that's how you can easily check the location of the photos on any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.